Are you a responsible gun owner?
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 Are you a responsible gun owner? The PNP Civil Security Group would like to advise all firearms holders to renew their license to own and possess firearms and firearms registration within 6 months before its expiry date. Tumawag na at makipag-ugnayan.
Be a responsible gun owner and be a good Filipino citizen.
Huwag maging biktima ng expired mong lisensya.
Ayan mga sir, kasama natin si Cookie Alonso no, dito sa PTR, no? May mga HK siya na ano, no? Almost the same ng MP5 na McLaren Coke, pero the brand is PTR. PTR, yeah. Oo. So si Sir ang ano ngayon nag-i-introduce dito sa atin. And this is US made, sir, no?
US made, and it is the modern version of the iconic MP5.
Yeah.
Kasi madami na silang in-improve sa design. Kasi you have to remember, the MP5 was designed 1960. So there were some shortcomings which they improved.
So mamaya titignan natin yung mga PTR nila na MP5, no, na mga 9mm nila dito na actually we can call it submachine gun, pero PCC dito sa atin kasi may semi-auto, no?
Semi-auto lang kasi.
Well, for the benefit of kanina pinag-usapan namin ni Sir Cookie Alonso regarding dun sa mga modification ng barrel. Ayun na nga, remember guys, kinikwento ko sa inyo nung pumili ako ng Glock 34. Akala ko magaling na yung choice ko, no? And all of a sudden, nag-replicate na ako ng barrel. So tatanungin natin si Cookie Alonso, no? Siyempre, mas eksperto sa atin to because of this, no? Yung sa dami na ng baril na dumaan sa kanya. Lalo yung Glock, sikat siya sa pag-ano ng modify ng Glock, no? So pakinggan natin kung anong opinion niya, no? Regarding sa mga modifications, sir.
Well, yung mga modification, basic lang muna ang lagay natin na importante for, everyday use. Importante dyan, weapons light, malaking bagay yan. Yes, sir. Optics, malaking bagay yan. Kasi alam naman tayo, when we hit the age of 14 up, malabo na mata natin. So para hindi mahirap mag-align, mag-red dot ka na lang, there's nothing to align, mabilis mag-acquire ng target. Yung basic lang na yun, then the trigger, yes, we can improve on the trigger, but what I should suggest is, you put the basic ones, and then spend money on training.
Yun, bro, mga kasama, no? Yun yung sinasabi natin palagi sa One Gun Pilipinas, sa mga live natin. Before you spend on so much do sa mga accessories, yung skill muna, mag-invest tayo sa bala, sa skill. Then later on, di ba, yun na nga, sabi ni Sir, yung equipment, yung mga modification, that will follow, no? Kasi andyan lang naman yan. Pero i-hone natin yung skill natin. Ayan. So Sir, yun na nga, when it comes to Glock pala, Sir, no, pag-uusapan natin, sa tingin nyo po ba, kami kasi we suggest na pag hindi naman magko-compete, wag galawin yung trigger, no? Kayo po, ano pong maipapayo nyo pagdating po sa trigger modification ng Glock?
Ang trigger modification, specifically sa Glock, ang problema ng Glock hindi yung pinapalambot eh. Ang problema ng Glock yung mahaba yung pre-travel, yung slack. Kasi kahit matigas ang trigger pull mo, pero wala kang slack, point of pain becomes point of impact. Kasi wala nang chance gumalaw yung muscle mo before your gun fires. Ako kasi madami ako minomodify. Gusto nila palambutin ka ako. Sabi ko, kahit palambot yan, kung mahaba pa rin yung slack mo,
It's the same.
It's the same. What we need to remove is the slack. I will keep your trigger pull stock because it's a carry pistol. but I will remove the slack. So, your point of aim is your point of impact. Kasi hindi gagalaw yung baril mo. Yun ang misconception nila na pag pinalambot mo, gaganda. That's not true. Kaya madaming, sir, malambot na, pero bakit shooting low pa rin ako? It's because of the slack. It's not because it's light or it's hard. It is the slack. Because mas malikot ang daliri mo, gumagalaw yung nguso ng baril mo.
So yun. Sir, thank you sir. At least may mga nakuha na namang input yung mga kasama natin, no? So mga kasama, ayan, professional advice from Sir Cookie Alonso, no? At sana may natututunan tayo sa mga ganitong discussion. Yan ang mission natin, mag-information at i-guide yung ating mga kasama sa One Gun Pilipinas. Sir, thank you very much, sir.
I can build it exactly for their land because their land will say depending on the production. You understand that? Yung isang pinakasan yung
Para walang shadow.
Great afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen. And to those who just came in, welcome to the 21st Tactical Survival and Earth Expo brought to you by Answer Global Defense Incorporated. Up next, we have another speaker from Maya.